Welcome to the UK Statutory Redundancy Payout Excel calculator. This will allow you to basically calculate the pay for the statutory redundancy for your employees. If you're making anything from 1 to 100 or 1,000 employees redundant, you can use this system. Very straightforward. Input all of the employee data into the corresponding fields here: name, date of birth, age, weekly pay, redundancy date, location. Location matters because the amount they receive differs according to UK and Northern Ireland. Once you put that in, you just pretty much scroll through to the end. You can ignore all these fields till you get to this one here. This final column here literally is the UK statutory redundancy payout for each of your staff. It's just calculated. As soon as you put the data in, it just fully calculates it. What you'll see in here is the statutory weekly pay cap, because based on the employee's age and location, there is a statutory pay cap per week. There's also a overall statutory pay cap for the total amount they can receive, and this is applied to what they earn here. That's basically the government dictated weekly pay cap and the total payout cap, and that's applied to this formula here. If you're paying more than the minimum or the minimum statutory requirement, then you'd need to calculate that separately from this. I can show you how to do that, or if you know how to adapt the formulas, you can just change the formulas to remove the cap, or in here you can actually just go in and increase the cap, and it should then automatically allow the system to present a higher figure that's above the cap. I wouldn't recommend doing that. I would recommend sticking to the statutory redundancy payout, and if you want to pay it separately, then to calculate that separately, or contact me. And I may be able to help you with that. Thank you.